Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford EcoSport key battery. This is an easy method you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Remember to always check the existing battery in your fob to confirm the exact type before purchasing a replacement. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and carefully pull out the physical emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and insert it into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pop out the old battery. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the physical emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Ford EcoSport to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.